Hi. Those who have a sharp eye would see that today my energy is not great. They would maybe even see sadness. They would say, oh, Lutfi's down today. You may ask why. Well, I allowed myself to be exposed to all the negativity that there is in the world. And to be honest, it's not that easy not to these days. Today is the 9th, no, actually the 10th, of January, new year, new decade, and you could say it's the worst possible start of a year, worst possible start of a decade. I personally cannot remember a year starting worse than this one, with so-called natural disasters, although people are being arrested for starting fires. I mean, half of Australia is burning. Africa has had a lot of burns. The Americas, war. Yeah, we're starting a new war. Airplanes crashing, people dying, corruption, lies, theft, economical crisis because of corruption, lies and theft, deception, a lot of hatred, a lot of finger pointing, a lot of aggression. And so how to deal with this? Some might say just don't watch the news. Some might say go off social media. But social media is also the tool that we use to stay in contact, or that we actually use to make contact with new people. And those contacts can be great, can be energizing, can literally blow life back into you. And so what to do then? I thought about this morning, and the insight I got was we need to learn to filter and to see the bigger picture, to look through what's being shown to you. And there are plenty of examples where we perceive certain things, but actually deceptions. And so if there's demand, if you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll organize a workshop of probably multiple hours. I'll do it online, unless I get a lot of local demand. And I'll help see the truth, see the bigger picture. And the truth is not who's right and who's wrong. The truth is what's really happening. Because from different people's perspectives, different people are right and different people are wrong. And I'll teach how to filter, because I can do this. I have been doing this. But probably I needed to be reminded, and so I had to go through this, and also that I could share this with you. And of course, let's be honest, these days it's much worse than before, so we need to be better trained. We need to be more, I don't know, vigilant is the right word, because that is, for me, that's linked to fear. But if we just are more open, more aware, more conscious, then we can actually deal much better with this. And we can even find strength, because beautiful example is that avocado seed, big nut, that I put on water and started to grow roots, and now it's like a real plant with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leaves. There are just 3 new ones that just came out in the last few days. The other leaves are already like this. The plant's high like this. But when you look at the seed, it's cracked open. So it's broken technically, from a certain perspective. On the other hand, it needs to break open so that it can grow. And that is one of the basics for how to deal with the world we live in. A lot of people think that spirituality is a solution. Jump into spirituality, go out there, stay there, hide there. Don't be here, because here is shitty. Here is a physical body where I feel the pain, which I need to feed with food, and I need to kill for it, being it animals or plants. Or if you're into spirituality, then you should know that the first thing you learn in spirituality, we are spiritual beings who came into this human physical 3D reality to have a physical human experience. That was a choice. The choice was, we get born, we live life, and then we die. So halfway life trying to escape into spirituality is bullshit. We are here to learn, to have experiences. And just look back at your life. Look back at the past 5, 10 years. Look where you used to be, how you used to be, and how you are today, where you are today. And you will see that you learned a lot and that you grew wiser, more experienced, smarter. Maybe your life improved. Maybe your life looks shittier. But if you really look very well, you will see like, yeah, maybe I have less money, or I have a lesser status, but actually I'm happier, or I'm wiser, or I learned these new things and I have more opportunities. So let this be your focus. You know what they say, if you point a finger, look how many fingers are pointing back. It's not the solution. Division is not the solution. Unity is the solution. Let me know if you're interested in changing the way you stand and you walk in life. Also feel free to share how you're dealing with this. No matter if you're dealing with this successfully or unsuccessfully. You can do it in the comments or send me a personal message. It's fine. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. As you can see, there's a lot of light coming. It's a beautiful sun outside, so I will be heading out and enjoy the beauty of nature. See you next video. Like, subscribe, and share.